Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do a video on the new 35M Boss Mood Artistry Palette by Morphe. It retails for $23 and it was released yesterday. I do have swatches. My goodness, there is a total of 35 Take Charge shades. I am very colorful. Ready to show the world who's the boss. We thought so. Slay it, cool or amp things up with the perfect mix of matte to shimmery shades for a life in the spotlight. Okay, so it says, I'm trying to find grams. Yeah, not seeing it. Okay. It is your usual packaging, and it is your usual packaging here. So 35 shades. Okay, 56.2 grams, 1.98 ounces. And then you open this up. There is no mirror, which I wish they would put a mirror. There is a sleeve with the names, and I wish they would just print the name on the bottom of the shades, because it would just make it so much simpler. But anyway, I end up losing the inserts. Here are the shades. Can I just say wow? Now mind you, I have not tried this palette out. If it is the typical Morphe palette, it will most likely perform pretty well. It came in this bubble wrap. I'm going to do a first impressions today, and I will do an updated review on my monthly heck yeah, so and hell no. But here are my swatches. Top row here, going into the middle row. You guys bear with me if there's a lot of swatches, and I hope you can see them well, but they did swatch pretty darn good all the way down to the last ones. It was yeah, quite challenging fitting that on my arm. My arm is not that long. So let's get started on this. What I was most attracted to in this palette, I'm not gonna lie, is the greens up here. Like these two rows. I have a ton of purples, but they're all absolutely stunning. If you want a very versatile palette, this is going to probably be worth it. You get 10% off with Trend Mood in store or online. I have learned to keep saying Trend Mood when I go to check out. Okay, so we are going to just kind of like take a dive into this palette, and I am going just to dive into the green, and it is, this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, the fifth one, Electric Energy. I'm just going to read off the names to you as I go along. I have the insert stood up so I can hopefully read off the correct names. I'll do it one eye on camera and one eye off. I am just placing this into the crease. I am not going all the way to the brow bone. I'm, yes, immediately going into the green. This is kind of like an olive tone green to me. I don't know where that came from. I think a bristle. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill brushes, and I did wash them, and it seems like some of the bristles are falling out. Not good. I have my wing gauze ready to go, so okay, this isn't bad. We're gonna build it up. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the color Express Yourself. And there's no R. It's just yo and self. And I'm going to put that into the crease and keep it a little bit lower. Boy, did that have some pigmentation right off the bat. Beautiful. I love these green shades. Gorgeous. Alright, now I'm kind of keeping it into the greens, so we're going to go into Nude Tude. This is a much darker green. It is like a brownish kind of green. And we're just still building up the crease. This one I'm keeping lower than the other. I'm bringing it out a little bit. So far, no fallout. Pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Okay, now I'm going to go into the one right next to that, and it is called Green with Envy. I am using the same brush. I switched over to my Wayne Gauze number 19, and I'm going to take it in just the edge and maybe bring it down slightly on the lid. Dab it on my lid here. And here. And the crease, just a little bit on the edge is all. Gorgeous greens. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go on my brow bone with a light shade, a little bit of shimmer. It is called Light of the Party. Just going to pop it right in the arch. Bring it down a little bit. Okay, I've decided I'm going to go with a halo eye look today. I do a lot of cut creases, but I'm going to go with a halo eye. My camera, it's on its stand, and the stand is just malfunctioning, cutting off part of my chin, but maybe I just have a long chin. So I'm going to go in with the same green, Green with Envy, and put it in the very front. And then I will do my halo in the middle. So for my halo, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty eyelid primer, which is great because it has the little tiny tip right here, and then you just place it in the middle and kind of bring it up. Does not have to be exactly precise. Same on the other lid. I love this primer. It is sticky when it goes on. Keep that in mind, that you might want to give it a moment to dry. Maybe even dab your finger on it. Helps it dry a little bit quicker. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the color Bold Moves. It is a shimmer shade. I am using the Wayne Gauze 18 for this. I'm going to try it without wetting my brush and hope. It doesn't matter if I need to. It's not a big deal. I do my concealer after anyway. This is a beautiful green. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. I didn't wet my brush. I didn't use my finger. I did, however, use the primer, which I'd rather use than have to use my finger. Look at that payoff. Okay, so I did connect that deep green with Envy all the way across up here, and then I've left the halo there, and it is stunning. So I am going to go ahead and do my concealer, and I will be back when I'm ready to do under my eyes. Alright everybody, welcome back. So I'm ready to do under my eye. And I am debating on what I want to go with. I've been really using a lot of the greens. I'm going to touch this corner up just a wee bit. So I am like, so many colors to choose from. Oh, jeez. Decisions. They're rough. I'm just gonna go in with the black shade, which is called Black Magic. We're gonna see how well the black shade performs. I'm gonna put that on right under my eye. I'm using a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. That is not bad for a first coat, and I'm sorry if I'm covering the camera. Oh my gosh. But look at that. Just one dip in there and a pretty good payoff. Alright, I like that. It went on very smooth and easily. So I'm going to go in with, I believe it is FOTD. Okay. All these LOLs, FOTDs. I don't know what it means, but it's like a purple kind of burgundy color. And I'm going to start it from the corner of my eye and meet it to the middle with the black shade. It's a kind of a burgundy, I'd call it. Very pretty. I'm bringing it over a little bit more with the black, just to kind of melt them together. Now I'm going to go on the inner corner of my eye, and I think I'm going to use Electric Energy. It looks like a very light between a gold and a green shade. That is a beautiful color. Oh yeah, very, very pretty. It's a very green look today. But I feel like it's a very fall kind of look as well. Alright, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, and then I will be back with my first impressions. I know some people don't like first impressions, but I will come back with my monthly opinion, but I will give a first impression so you kind of know, is it worth it or not. I will be back. Hello everybody and welcome back. So I have finished my look. I did go in and I will list everything I used down below. I am wearing the Fenty Bronze Lip Balm. If that's what it's called. It's a, yeah, lip balm. It was very creamy. Anyway, I absolutely love this look. I haven't done a halo look in a while. I do cut creases a lot. I feel like I am ready for fall. Can you tell? Anyway, so I want to give you my first impressions, my thoughts on the new Boss Mood 35 pan palette by Morphe. So mainly I dipped into the top 2 rows, but I did go to the black and this like oh my gosh, I can't think of it, you know, I don't know why I can't think of the name, but anyways, burgundy. There we go. This burgundy color for underneath my eye. I have to say that for all the shades you get in here, and there are like, I can't even begin to count. 1, 2, well, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It looks like 17 mattes, and then a mixture of like metallic glittery finishes. That would be 17 of those. Shimmer slash glitter. I just think when I swatched them, I'm not gonna lie, like some of them, like this one right here, which I haven't used, it feels very, very chalky and dry. May not have a good color payoff, but all the shades I use today are absolutely 100% stunning, and I think for the price, for $23, you can't go wrong. I really do. I will definitely be reaching for this palette. This could be spring, fall, any season of the year, neutral, smoky, anything you want, day and night look. I just think you can get so many looks from this palette. It's so versatile, and the price is just spot on. I absolutely love it. They blended well. They went on without me spraying my brush, using my finger and all that crap when I buy high end and I have to use my finger for it. I am not really happy about that. But this palette is only $23 and I think is stunning. So worth it. I can say from even a first time use, it is worth it. Now if I was reviewing a $100 palette and you know, it was my first review, except for the Pat McGrath. That was so worth it. I would probably say, I can't really say for sure, but I'm going to say for sure that I highly recommend this Boss Mood. There are palettes I've used for the first time and I just know it's absolute crap. This is amazing. It is worth it, and it is so gorgeous. The colors in here are so beautiful that I love it. I'm so glad I picked it up, and let me know what your thoughts are on it and if you plan on picking it up, and what you think of my look that I came out with. And on that note, a little change in the power of makeup. I'm gonna end it Friday or Saturday. Friday I'm going to Not Scary Farm. Let me know if you want me to vlog. I will do the best I can. It is a tradition, and I'm going with my kids and my sister, so let me know and I will get in as much vlogging as I can. So I don't know if I will have time Friday to put up the winner. This gives you guys a little more time to enter, which I have a lot of entries that are phenomenal, but I'm gonna put it off until Friday or Saturday. I will let you know by tomorrow whether it's gonna be Friday or Saturday. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.